Welcome everyone once again to our channel. Today we have another good one. We have Korean chicken. Make sure you marinate your chicken overnight, and let's get into the video. So you're gonna need about 2 or 2/4 cup. I'm using about, I would say, 1.5 to 2 pounds of chicken, and then I'm just gonna be seasoning my water with my favorite seasonings. You can use whatever seasonings you like. You see I'm using black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, sazon, cumin, all-purpose seasoning and the likes. And I'm going to be using a clove of garlic and some thyme in my water too to boil my chicken. And I'm going to be boiling it for about 15 to 20 minutes. And there you see I'm putting in some all-purpose or Maggi seasoning and some chicken seasoning as well. So here you can flavor the water the way you like it. You can use chicken broth as well instead of the water, but I decided to make my own broth there. And so there you see how I have my chicken, barely you can see it, but it's there that I seasoned overnight with my green seasoning. If you want to know how to make that seasoning, just scroll down and look at my videos. You'll find how to make my green seasoning, and then my excess I've poured in the water as well. If you like what you see here, be sure to turn on your notification so you do not miss any video. And we thank you so much for watching, and welcome back to my viewers who have been with me from the beginning. I thank you so much for coming back. And so there my chicken, after it has been boiled for 15 to 20 minutes, I'm taking it out. I'm going to let it drain until it's cold or not hot, because you cannot put the hot chicken in hot grease. So you have to let it drain very well before you fry it. And you can deep fry it like you see me doing it here in my Scotch bonnet, and I've put pimento seed, thyme and garlic. And you see I'm gonna fry the meat side down first, and then I fried my skin until done. This is gonna take another 15 to 20 minutes. So you do about 10 minutes on both sides until brown like you like it, and then you flip it over and let it get that nice golden color. It's gonna be moist on the inside but crispy on the outside. And there you see that nice brown color, and in here smells so good with that garlic and thyme in the oil. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know if you'd like for us to try a special recipe. And there is my second batch. I'm gonna just flip that as well, and after you just drain and serve. We thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next video. Bye.